Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Jim Boyer, Marketing Manager at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership in Pomeroy, Ohio. And I want to take just a minute and show you this Mazda CX-5 that we've got on the lot now. It's a 2017 model, 4-cylinder engine. Has a 2.5 liter motor in it. And I tell you what, this car is actually very sharp. Wait till you see it inside. Let me back off here so you can see everything on this. Go back here on the hatch. There's your CX-5, and a great thing with this one, it's all-wheel drive. So here we are, at least as of today. We're not that far away from winter. I hate to say that, but the all-wheel drive is going to be fantastic. Let's go ahead and open the hatch up. And this thing has, get over here where the sun's not terribly bad, but very spacious inside here, and your seats, back seats, will fold down, so you've got plenty of room back here. Let me go ahead and shut this. You do have the rear wiper for the back glass, all-wheel drive, 2.5 liter, silver. And one thing I do want to point out, on your mirrors, on both mirrors, you do have turn signals in addition to the front and the back. So let's go ahead and show you the back. It does have cloth interior, black door panels. Actually, the car is sharp. Headliner appears to be in very good condition. Let's go ahead and hop up front. Show you the view from right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. Beautiful day out. Sun shining, just absolutely beautiful. But here is the steering wheel. Let me go ahead now. This does have push button start right here. Show you the gauges. And you can see the mileage on this thing as of now is 51,172 miles. Now on the steering wheel, you do have controls here for your audio. It is Bluetooth capacity, and your cruise control is on the right of your wheel, and the gauges for your windows and your door locks. Now let's go over here. You do have LCD center screen that pops up right here. We'll scroll down, your heating and cooling controls. Your gear shift, it does have a sport mode, you can kick it in. But this is cool, this area right here. Now it actually has an auto hold. That's if you're on a hill, you can depress this for a safety feature. But a rotary dial knob, this is the volume control for your radio. So just, there's your volume. And you can navigate your home button, audio, nav, all this from right here. You do have two cup holders, storage area here. This will remove, and if you look, you do have two USB ports in addition to a 12-volt port. Go ahead, I'm going to turn around here, show you the back seat. Nice leather, you got plenty of leg room here. So that is, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. You push the button. But this is the newest edition of 2017 Mazda CX-5, sharp car. Financing, as I always say, we've got a lot of lenders that are knocking on our doors, and they're willing to loan money right now, guys. So it's not that difficult to get in a car. So if you've had some credit issues in the past, we got some lenders that are saying yes, even with no down payment. So just come in, sign your name, drive it home, and you're going to get some low payments on these things. So if you got any questions, feel free to call us. Phone number 740-992-4443. Let me pan over here and show you the river. There we got a barge going down. Beautiful day out here, guys. So we've got a lot of nice inventory up here, a lot of trucks that are over on this side of the lot. So if you would, just be kind and share this video. You might have a friend, family member, co-worker, someone you go to church with, that is on the market for a truck, and we're one of the largest dealers in our area, and the inventory that we have is it's newer. So, and if you look here, we'll take care of you after the sale. So we're different from most used car dealers. So we got you know, service department here to take care of all your needs should those ever arise. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.